Hey, what's up dreamers? Welcome back to Apologue's YouTube channel. Now, I have something super excited to share with you. Over the next few weeks, we are going to be doing something pretty interesting, pretty different. What we're going to do is we're going to start our university series. So, steps and tips and tricks on how you can really make the most out of your university experience. So you can expect videos like how to save money in university, how to get more opportunities in university, how to leverage the things that you have access to in university, and a bunch of other videos lined up for you. So I hope you're really excited. The reason why I think this is a very important topic is because university is a time of your life that you can't get back. And from speaking to a lot of my mentors and a lot of people who are older, they always tell me that the best times of their lives were during their time in university. So it's a time of your life that you cannot get back, so how do you make the most out of it? So I'm very lucky to have a very wholesome and a very balanced university experience. I had opportunities to start my own businesses, start a club in university. I was able to meet people from all over the world, and it was really truly an amazing experience. I'm going to share everything that I learned over the years through my own experience, as well as through meeting and talking to other people as well. So I hope you're excited for the university series. But just to start off this week's video, the first thing that we really want to talk about and I really want to share with you, and something that a lot of people don't really think about when they are still in university, is it's all about the mindset, right? When you're in university, a lot of times as a student, we're brought to believe that we don't know anything, that we're not good enough yet because we're still a student. This is that mindset that is drilled into us, that is holding us back from doing a lot of things that we can actually be doing while you're still in university. For example, a lot of times when I speak to people who are in university, who are still in school, and when I ask them what they really want to do with their lives, and they would tell me things like, oh my god, I want to start a little side hustle in school, or oh my god, I want to start this thing, this big thing in university, but they never do because they're afraid, or they think that they don't have enough experience, they're not smart enough, that they have to graduate first before and work a few years before they can actually do the things that they want to do. So this is the mindset that 90% of the people I meet they have, because having that label of a student sort of just traps us into this mindset that thinking that we're not good enough. Don't you think it's really weird that as soon as you finish your studies, right, in 4 years, maybe 5, you walk across the stage, you grab that piece of paper, and suddenly you're good enough. Suddenly you know everything that you need to know, right? It really makes no sense. And I think during your time in university is a time where you can really leverage your skills and leverage the amount of time and free time that you have to try a bunch of things and do a bunch of different things. If there's something you want to do, whether it's starting a side hustle or starting a club in university, or running a workshop or a project, or whatever it is, this is a beautiful time to start it. And trust me, you are good enough to start it. You are smart enough. Something that I might not know, right? I've seen so many people in university who are smarter, or who know a bunch of stuff that people who have been working a ton don't know. This is because they are they're excited, they learn by themselves, and they do a bunch of stuff. And let me tell you this, a lot of the things that I know, and a lot of the things that are helping me in my full-time job now, I didn't learn in university. A lot of the things that I learned it through doing these side projects, these side hustles during my time at school. The chances are you won't learn a ton just from reading a book and doing an exam. You'll learn way more by actually implementing the things that you learned in class, and really extend your knowledge beyond the classroom walls. So to wrap it up, mindset, super important, especially when you're a student. Throw it out the window. If you have the mindset that you're not good enough, that you're not smart enough yet because you're still a student, really just take it and chuck it. Because at the end of the day, you are smart enough. There are things that you know and things that you're good at that you can really leverage right now. Hope you're excited for the university series starting next week. We're gonna be covering all aspects of university. How can you have a really balanced experience and a very fulfilling university experience? Once again, Apologue's vision is to help people around the world to better identify their purpose so that they can accelerate their growth and live a more fulfilling life. Once again, my name is James, and I'll see you in the next video.